From Cold War secrets to modern surveillance, spy planes have shaped history in ways most people never realize. Today, we're counting down the top 10 greatest spy planes ever built, each one a marvel of engineering, stealth, and strategy. Buckle up, because this is going to be a high-altitude ride. Number 10. Lockheed U-2 Dragon Lady, introduced in the 1950s, flies at 70,000 feet, above most missiles and fighters, used extensively during the Cold War, famous for the 1960 Gary Powers incident over Soviet airspace, still in service today with upgraded sensors. The U-2 is the grandparent of spy planes. It's flown over Cuba, Vietnam, and Afghanistan. Its long wings and glider-like design make it hard to detect, but even harder to land. Number 9. Boeing RC-135 Rivet Joint, electronic surveillance aircraft, gathers signals intelligence SIGINT, used by the U.S. and allies, constantly updated with cutting-edge tech. The RC-135 doesn't just watch, it listens. It can intercept enemy communications, radar signals, and even detect missile launches. It's the ears in the sky. Number 8. Dassault Mirage 4, French strategic reconnaissance aircraft, nuclear-capable but also used for high-speed recon, operated from 1964 to 2005. France's Mirage 4 was sleek, fast, and deadly. It could fly at Mach 2 and snap high-resolution photos deep inside enemy territory. Number 7. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG, 25R Foxbat, Soviet high-speed reconnaissance variant, Mach 3 plus speed, used to monitor NATO activities. The MiG-25R was a beast. It could outrun almost anything in the sky. Western analysts were stunned when they first saw its capabilities. Number 6. Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk, unmanned aerial vehicle UAV, long endurance, high-altitude surveillance, used in Iraq, Afghanistan, and disaster relief. The Global Hawk doesn't need a pilot. It can fly for over 30 hours and scan entire countries with pinpoint accuracy. It's the future of surveillance. Number 5. Lockheed SR-71, Blackbird, legendary spy plane, Mach 3.3 speed, titanium body to withstand heat. Never shot down despite hundreds of attempts. The SR-71 is the rock star of spy planes. It could fly from New York to London in under 2 hours. If a missile was launched at it, the pilot simply accelerated. Number 4. Beechcraft RC-12 Guardrail, tactical SIGINT aircraft, used for battlefield intelligence, small, nimble, and packed with sensors. The RC-12 is like a flying detective. It's used to track enemy movements, intercept radio chatter, and support ground troops in real time. Number 3. Tupolev Tu-95MR Bear, Soviet strategic bomber turned recon aircraft, long-range, nuclear-capable, used for maritime surveillance. The Tu-95MR is loud, slow, and unmistakable, but it's also persistent. It's been buzzing NATO airspace for decades, gathering intel and testing defenses. Number 2. Lockheed MQ-9 Reaper, armed drone with surveillance capabilities, used in counterterrorism operations, can loiter for hours and strike targets. The Reaper is both a spy and a hunter. It watches, waits, and, if needed, strikes with deadly precision. It's changed the face of modern warfare. Number 1. A -12 Oxcart, predecessor to the SR-71, developed by the CIA, faster and stealthier than anything before it, operated in total secrecy. Before the Blackbird, there was the Oxcart. It flew secret missions over Asia and was so fast, radar couldn't track it. It was the ultimate ghost in the sky. In the last, honorable planes mentions: RQ-170 Sentinel, stealth drone used in Osama bin Laden raid, P-3 Orion, maritime surveillance, Dragon Eye UAV, portable battlefield recon. These aircraft didn't make the top 10, but they've played crucial roles in intelligence gathering and tactical operations. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more aviation deep dives, and turn on notifications so you never miss a mission. Until next time, Keep your eyes on the skies.